Hi everyone, I hope everything is going well for you. If you want to speak English better, do you really want to learn it? This video was made for people like you who said yes. You will learn a lot of useful everyday English sentences in this movie. This language is simple and easy to use in everyday life. So let's work on these lines together. Let's begin. My name is Sam. I work as a farmer. I live in a little town. It's easy and quiet in my life. I get up early every day. I pray and wash my face. After that, I go to my fields. In the morning, the air is clean. The sun slowly comes up. At that time, I feel calm. I live and breathe farming. I do not have a lot of money, but I'm a good man.
My land is not very big. It is hard for me to work. I use easy tools. I use my hands. My heart stays strong, even when my body is tired. I think people should work hard. I trust you to be patient. This faith makes me strong. It's not the same every day. There are good days. There are days when things are really tough. It doesn't always rain. Crops can get weak at times. I worry about things at night. I think about my family. I think about money and food. I'm not giving up, though. I sleep with hope. I stay living because of hope. Some people laugh at me. Some people say farming doesn't work. People say living in a city is better. I listen but don't say anything. I don't use words to fight. I work hard to fight. I believe in my land. I believe in my work. I tell myself to keep going. My dream is easy. I want to live a calm life. That year was really hard. It was really hot outside.
My crop began to dry out. I was scared inside. I didn't know what to do. I was by myself in my field. I looked up at the sky. I prayed while crying. I didn't quit my job. I picked hope over fear. After a long time, clouds showed up. The sky turned dark. It began to pour down rain. I was really happy. It rained while I stood there. My clothes got wet. It made my heart feel good. The land took in water. The crops looked good again. That event changed how I felt. The days went by slowly. My plants began to grow. The color green came back to my fields. I worked all day and all night. I got rid of weeds. I checked on the plants every day. My heart was clean, but my hands were dirty. I smiled while I worked. I was proud of myself. It paid off to work hard. It was finally time to harvest.
Today was a very important day. I was careful when I cut the crops. My family helped me. We did the work together. We laughed together. The field looked lovely. There were golden fruits everywhere. Tears came into my eyes. These were happy tears. I felt good about myself that day. I went to the store. I sold my crops. I made a lot of money this time. The people who talked to me were polite. They gave me a smile. I kept my cool. I thought back to my hard times. Having money made things easier, but being patient made me strong. I felt thankful inside. I gave help to other farmers. I told you about my experience. I told them my tale. Don't give up, I told them. Hard days will pass, I told her. They paid close attention. Their faith in me was strong. Giving help made me feel good. It made me feel calm inside. I felt like I was important. I felt good about this. I taught my kids.
I taught them to be polite. I taught them to be honest. I taught them to wait. I said it was important to work. I told you not to be embarrassed by your work. They paid attention to me. They were proud of me. I was proud of them too. Family is the best thing in the world. Love is the real prize. Not everything is fine in life yet. Things still go wrong, but my attitude has changed. I'm staying calm now. I deal with problems bravely. I have more faith in myself.
I know that bad times will end. I know that good times will come. I feel calm when I believe this. Now I sleep better. I work as a farmer. I dress simply. I eat simple things. But my heart is full. My life is worth living. People are fed by what I do. My land gives people life. I'm proud of this. I don't need to be famous. I don't need big hopes. A simple life is enough. A lot of people are lost. A lot of people are weak. One thing I want to say: don't give up too soon. Don't have any doubts. Little steps are important. Every day's work counts. Most important is patience. Have faith in your path. It will be your turn. Keep going. This is my story. My name is Sam, and I'm a farmer. I learned something from my life. Working hard always pays off. Waiting always pays off. We stay alive with hope. We are strong because we have faith. You can do it too if I can. Don't give up. Thanks for hearing me.